Hello YouTube. So we're going to balance an entire hybrid pack today. I'm going to show you how that's done. So each battery cell is labeled positive and negative. What we're going to want to do is we're going to line up all 34 cells to all the positives, or all the same on one side, all the way down. And on the same on this side, all the negatives are all the same all the way down. Like so. The way I balance is with these bus bars. I buy a couple extra sets, and what I do is I turn around and I put a bus bar to connect every battery here, as you see, in parallel. And the same on this side, as you see. I started to put the bus bars down, and what I do is I turn around and just add the bus bars on to connect everything in parallel, like so, all the way down. After putting all the bus bars on, I tighten down with these 8mm metric nuts here, and I go all the way down the pack like so and secure them. I always hand tight, and what I do is just snug them down with a ratchet like so. As you see, we have a total pack voltage of 7.92, and that's going to be consistent pretty much from the front of the pack all the way down to the middle, and pretty much 792 all the way down the pack. After balancing the battery 12 hours, I come over and I charge the battery one last time at 2 amps to 8.1 volts. Usually it takes about 2 hours to do so. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.